The first, entry page. Visiting /wiki title renders a page that displays the content of that encyclopedia entry. If an entry is requested that does not exist, the user is presented with an error page indicating that the requested page was not found. For example, this page. Requested page was not found. If the entry does exist, the user is presented with a page that displays the content of the entry. For example, the title of the page includes the name of the entry. The index page. The second. On index.html, user can click on any entry name to be taken directly to that entry page. The third, search. If the query matches the name of the encyclopedia entry, the user is redirected to this entries page. For example, Python. If the query does not match the name of the encyclopedia entry, the user is taken to a search results that displays a list of all encyclopedia entries that have the query as a substring. For example, Django Git. Clicking on any of the entry names on the search results page takes the user to that entry page. The first, new page. Clicking create new page in the sidebar takes the user to a page where they can create a new encyclopedia entry. Users can enter a title for the page. In the text area, user can enter the Markdown content for that page. For example, when the page is saved, the user can click a button to save the new page. When the page is saved, if the encyclopedia entry already exists, with the provided title, the user is presented with an error message. For example, we create again this page. This page already exists. Otherwise, the encyclopedia entry will be saved to disk, and the user is taken to the entry's new page. For example, save. Edit page. The files. Edit page. On each entry page, the user can click a link to be taken to a page where the user can edit that entry's Markdown content in the text area. For example, in this page, click here. The text area is pre-populated with existing Markdown content of the page, as we saved just before. The user can click a button to save the changes made to the entry. Save changes. Once the entry is saved, the user is redirected back to that entries page. The random page. Click on random page as the sidebar takes user to random encyclopedia entry. Markdown to HTML conversation. On each entries page, any Markdown content file is converted to HTML before being displayed to the user. For this purpose, I used Python Markdown 2 package. So thank you for your attention.